Hey guys, here's today's lunch.
Yep, and it's a fun one. It's a pepperoni pizza Uncrustable. I'm getting some pizza sauce down on our bread, then I added on provolone cheese and turkey pepperoni, and we're gonna get it nice and toasty on our little mini griddle. And Corey likes hers with a little pesto on the side to dip, so I warmed that up and put it in a little container. Then I'm adding in cucumber fries and carrots with some ranch dip, Kinder Bueno for a treat, some apple fries, getting it all packed up, and she's ready to go.
Hey guys, here's today's lunch.
Yep, another fun and easy lunchbox. And while today's lunchbox is simple to put together, I added in a few fun extras for a little razzle-dazzle, like a Salami Rose, pizza Pringles, which are her fave, and she always loves Greek yogurt ranch for dipping her veggies. I like to chop her fruit into bite-sized pieces so we're not worried about choking, and add in these cute little fruit picks for a little fun when she opens up her lunchbox. And today, we have her fave, apple fries. Those are going to be added into every lunchbox from here on out, and these fruity raisin snacks, which taste just like fruit snacks. And for the cherry on top, we have a cherry ginger ale with a little lemon twist. Stay tuned for more fun lunchbox ideas.
Why?
No!
Get up! Okay. You don't even like me.
Hey! I want... What's that one? Every day.
Where's the one you took yesterday?
Hey guys, here's today's lunch.
Yep, and we think you can have breakfast foods any time of the day that you want. So when Corey asked me for pancakes with the crispy edges in her lunchbox, y'all know I got in the kitchen before school and made that happen for my girl. I always chop up her apples, and recently she's been wanting them just sliced extra thin, and she calls them apple chips. And then I also made her some turkey kielbasa. We had strawberries and oranges, and we added everything in her lunchbox along with some syrup and some mustard and an orange juice to wash it all down.
Hey guys, here's today's lunch.
Yep, here's another fun lunchbox. Today we're making a charcuterie lunchbox, and making a lunchbox for Corey has become a fun part of our morning. While I'm making her lunchbox, we chat. She tells me what not to put in. I tell her she can't wear eyeshadow to school, and we keep going. Recently, I found out she does not like gummy vitamins in the morning anymore, so I found this liquid vitamin by Mary Ruth, and she is loving that. We get her vitamins in. I love this time that we get to spend before school bonding and talking. She tells me what she's looking forward to, and we make plans for after school. What's your morning like?
You missed, brother? That's what you want for your afternoon snack? Okay, it's talked about, right?
No. I would do tap.
And you want some Sunny D?
today lunch.
Yep, here's another yummy lunchbox idea. Now, as soon as the weather started getting cooler in the morning, Corey started asking for warmer things in her lunchbox. This particular morning, she asked for a mac and cheese cup. I didn't have any, so y'all know I had to get in the kitchen and make my girl a homemade mac and cheese cup. The problem was I wasn't prepared, so I had to use my brie cheese that I was planning to use for something else and some other cheeses I had and whip my girl up some mac and cheese. So this may be the fanciest lunchbox mac and cheese ever. I added it to her thermos that I already pre-warmed with hot water, and then I added some fruit and some snacks into her lunchbox, and then I decided to take the fruit and put it in another container so it wouldn't get all warm, and there we have it. Stay tuned for more.